Sometimes people think they need expensive cameras, professional studios, or years of editing experience before they can start a YouTube channel that actually grows. But what if I told you there's a whole category of channels that are earning, growing, and helping millions of people with nothing more than free visuals, simple audio, and a few AI tools? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Zewali Isaac Ben, and today I'm going to show you how anyone, including you, can start a meditation, sleep, and relaxation music channel using simple steps and free tools. Before we begin, let me give you real proof that this works. There are channels out there like Yellow Brick Cinema, one of the biggest meditation music channels in the world. They upload soothing music with nature visuals, and they've built a massive audience doing just that. Then you have Soothing Relaxation, creating calm piano and ambient melodies combined with peaceful landscapes, and their videos reach millions of views over time. These channels grew not because they used expensive equipment, but because people everywhere need calm. People are stressed, people need peace, people can't sleep. And when you create something that genuinely helps someone relax, they come back, they stay longer, they share, they subscribe, and that's the opportunity you have today. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build your own meditation and sleep music channel step by step using ChatGPT, Suno AI, Grok AI, CapCut, and free stock visuals, even if you're starting from zero. So let's begin. Step 1. Using ChatGPT to create your channel identity. Whenever I start a new YouTube channel, the first place I go is ChatGPT. It saves time, removes confusion, and gives you a professional foundation instantly. Here's how to do it. First, open ChatGPT and tell it, give me unique, brand-friendly channel name ideas for a meditation and relaxation music YouTube channel. ChatGPT will give you names that feel peaceful, spiritual, calming, and perfect for building a brand. Scroll through, pick the one that connects with you, or merge a few ideas to make something original. Once you have your channel name, immediately ask ChatGPT for this. Now generate a powerful, engaging general channel description for my meditation music channel. This is the description people will see when they land on your channel. It helps viewers trust you and understand what your channel is about instantly. When that's done, ask ChatGPT for one more thing. Generate 200 curiosity-driven video titles for my meditation, sleep, and relaxation music channel. These titles are important because titles bring views and views bring growth. ChatGPT will give you emotional, click-worthy sleep titles, deep healing titles, anxiety relief titles, and nighttime meditation titles. After you get the list, copy everything and paste it into Google Docs so you don't lose your ideas and can access them anytime. And that completes step 1. You now have your channel name, your brand description, and your entire content direction ready before you even upload the first video. Step 2. Creating your calming music using Suno AI. Now that we've finished setting up our channel identity with ChatGPT, it's time to create the most important part of your meditation videos, the music. And for this, we're going to use one of the easiest and most powerful tools available right now, Suno AI. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, head over to Suno AI. Once you're on the platform, choose the simple mode. This is where everything becomes easy. In the description box, you're going to type in the feeling you want your music to create. For example, soft ambient sleep music with slow pads, gentle atmosphere, deep relaxation tones, and peaceful meditation vibes. That's it. You don't need to compose anything yourself. Suno does the heavy lifting. Now before you generate, there's one small but very important thing you must do. Tick the box that says instrumental only. This ensures Suno gives you pure calming music without vocals. Instrumentals always work better for sleep, meditation, yoga, studying, or relaxation channels. Once that's done, hit generate. Suno will process your prompt and give you 2 different versions of the music. Both will have the same mood, but each one is unique in its own way. Now here's my recommendation. Download the first version. It's usually smoother and more stable, but you can test both if you prefer. Now, something important you must know. If it's your first time using Suno, the platform will ask you to subscribe before you can download the generated tracks. Don't panic, this is normal. Why? Because if you use Suno Music without a subscription, the music still works, but Suno will claim the video since you don't have full rights to the audio. But when you subscribe, Suno gives you full rights, meaning no copyright issues, no claims, full monetization, and full ownership of the music. So for now, in the early stages, just let your channel grow, generate the music, test the vibes, and when you reach the monetization threshold, you can subscribe and start downloading without any issues. And just like that, step 2 is complete. You've created your very first meditation soundtrack using nothing but a text prompt. Step 3, generating visuals using AI plus free stock footage. Alright, now that our music is ready, it's time to create the visuals. And this is where your videos start to feel alive and immersive. You don't need a camera or expensive drones to make stunning, calming scenes. You have two main options, free stock footage or AI-generated visuals. For free stock footage, I usually start by visiting YouTube and searching for free nature stock footage or relaxing drone clips. You can also go to pexels.com, which is full of high-quality downloadable videos, forests, oceans, mountains, clouds, sunsets, all free to use. But for this video, we're focusing on AI-generated visuals, which gives you even more flexibility and uniqueness. I personally use Grok AI. Here's how it works. Open Grok AI. Type a description of the visuals you want. For example, peaceful bamboo forest with soft sunlight filtering through, blossoming cherry trees with slow-moving petals, rolling hills at sunrise with mist drifting over them. Grok AI will generate multiple images based on your prompt. The next step is to animate these images. Make them move slowly, pan across, zoom in or out, so the visuals feel like a flowing video rather than static pictures. Most AI platforms, including Grok, have built-in animation tools, and you can adjust viewing speed, movement, and style to match your music. This part is where you can really show your creativity. Do you want soft flowers floating in the wind? Calm landscapes? Misty forests, blossoming trees? It's entirely up to your style and the mood you want your viewers to feel. Once you generate and animate enough visuals, save them in organized folders. I usually separate them by type. Landscapes, flowers, bamboo, mountains, night skies. This makes editing in CapCut much faster. And just like that, step 3 gives you all the visuals you need for your meditation video, ready to combine with the music you made in Suno. Now that you have your music and your AI visuals, it's time to put everything together and create a finished video. This is where your meditation channel starts to really take shape. I personally use CapCut. It's available on both PC and mobile, and it's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Here's the step-by-step. Open CapCut and start a new project. Give it a name that matches your video title. This helps you stay organized. Import your visuals. Drag all your AI-generated clips and any free stock footage you downloaded from YouTube or Pexels into CapCut. Arrange them on the timeline in the order you want them to appear. You can create smooth transitions between clips with fade-ins, crossfades, or slow zooms. Add your music. Import the track you generated in Suno AI and place it under your visuals on the audio timeline. Adjust the length to match your video. You can loop sections if your video is longer than the music. Final adjustments. Watch the full video and make sure music, voiceover, and visuals flow smoothly together. Trim any extra footage or silence to keep the pace relaxing but steady. Now that your visuals, music, and optional voiceover are perfectly arranged in CapCut, it's time to export your video. Choose a high-quality format. 1080p is perfect for YouTube. Make sure the video looks smooth, the music is synced, and the voiceover, if any, is clear. Meditation and relaxation videos can be quite long, so the file size may be large. To make uploading easier, you want to compress the video. I personally love using Handbrake for this on PC. It's free, reliable, and maintains video quality while reducing file size. I'll teach a full step-by-step tutorial on using Handbrake in one of my next videos. For now, if you want to start uploading, you can search for videos online that show how to compress videos with Handbrake or how to create a YouTube channel, so you can follow along. Once your video is compressed and ready, you're set to move on to uploading and optimizing it for your channel, including creating thumbnails, writing descriptions, and adding tags, which we'll cover in Step 5. Step 5. Uploading and optimizing your video. Optimize your video details. Use one of the curiosity-driven titles from your ChatGPT list. Include a clear summary, your channel mission, and links to related content. Use relevant keywords to help YouTube recommend your video. You can generate tags using rapidtags.io or manually pick keywords related to meditation, sleep, and relaxation. Now that your meditation video is exported and compressed, it's time for the final step, uploading it to your channel and making sure it reaches as many viewers as possible. Upload to your newly created YouTube channel, sign in, click the upload button, and select your compressed video. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers notice. Make sure it's eye-catching, calming, and consistent with your channel style. I recommend using Canva to design professional thumbnails with your brand colors, soft imagery, and readable text. Keeping a consistent theme helps viewers instantly recognize your content when they see it on YouTube. Playlists like deep sleep music, relaxation and meditation, or nature ambience. A consistent theme helps viewers find your content faster and keeps them engaged with more videos on your channel. Watch your video once uploaded, make sure the audio is clear, visuals look good, and the thumbnail attracts attention. Once everything looks perfect, hit publish and congratulations. Your first meditation video is live. Remember, the key to growth is consistency, style, and quality. When your channel has a recognizable style and high-quality videos, viewers will return, subscribe, and even share your content with others. Remember, the key to growth is consistency, style, and quality. When your channel has a recognizable style and high-quality videos, viewers will return, subscribe, and even share your content with others. And that's it. From creating your channel identity with ChatGPT, generating your first meditation music in Suno AI, producing beautiful visuals with Grok AI, editing everything in CapCut, compressing your video, and finally uploading and optimizing it on YouTube, you now have a complete roadmap to start your very own meditation and relaxation channel. Remember, the key to success is consistency, creativity, and a calming style that your viewers will recognize instantly. Stick with it, and you'll build a loyal audience who keeps coming back for peace, relaxation, and rejuvenation. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which type of video would you like me to create next? Would you like me to show how to generate longer meditation music tracks, AI, voice-guided sleep prayers, or maybe a full AI-generated nature visuals tutorial? Drop your suggestions in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of these step-by-step guides. Your next calm, relaxing, and professional meditation video could be just around the corner. So let's keep creating together.